Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rosita and I'm school at MA Putri PWI Majalengka in the 11th grade of Social Science. Okay, and now I will show you how to make a bread stuff. First of all, I will introduce the ingredients. We have white bread, full cream milk, water, cornstarch, sugar, condensed milk, and grated cheese for topping. And for the equipment, we have pan, ladle, container, and spoon. Okay, for sauce, add water, full cream milk, sugar, cornstarch, and condensed milk to the pan. Stir until evenly distributed. Turn on the stove on medium heat. Stir the sauce until it thickens and boiling. If you've boiled, turn off the stove and for it to cool. Then if the sauce is cold, then we pour the sauce over the bread that has been arranged on the container. And then pour the grated cheese on the bread. After that, put bread stuff in the fridge and wait a few minutes. Then after waiting a few minutes, take out the bread stuff and decorate it with some candy on it. And finally, the bread stuff is ready to be served.